Hello students, hope you all are good. Let's explore online teaching learning together. Welcome to my online class. Today we are going to study a unit 3 of atomic and molecular physics. To understand the concept of this unit, we start with some basic concept like structure of an atom and molecule. As we know, atom consists of electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are electrically neutral. Where the proton and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, which is at the center of the atom, and electrons are revolving around this nucleus in a different orbitals. These orbitals are also known as different energy levels or electronic energy levels. As a whole, atom is electrically neutral. Why? Because number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. So basically we consider atom is electrically neutral. Now what if these atoms comes together to form a molecule? So now we define a molecule. Molecule is a group of atoms strongly bounded together so that it behaves as a single particle, which is also electrically neutral. Means, like atom, molecule is also electrically neutral because it is the number of same atoms. Now, there are two types of molecules: homoatomic molecules and heteroatomic molecules. That we will study later. First we focus here. Now, if molecule is also electrically neutral, the question is, does molecule have same energy levels as atom or it has some more energy levels? In this unit, we find answer of this question. Now, introduction of this unit begin. Within a molecule, atoms are vibrate relative to each other. Atoms are vibrate relative to each other means the atoms are vibrating. This gives rise of vibrating energy levels. And molecule as a whole rotates such that center of mass of the molecule remain fixed. If molecule rotates, the center of mass doesn't change, means the entire mass, the point at which the entire mass of the molecule is supposed to be concentrated, is remain fixed. So we can say that this rotation contributes to the rotational energy levels. So molecule is having three types of energy levels. Three types of energy levels. First, electronic energy levels. Second, vibrational energy levels. And third, rotational energy levels. Among these three, the electronic energy levels is having the highest magnitude of few electron volts, or we can say that several electron volts. The vibrational energy is having the moderate or middle intermediate magnitude of the order of 10 raised to -1 electron volt. And rotational energy levels is the lowest magnitude energy levels of the order of few milli-electron volt. These are the different energy levels and the energy respective to the energy levels. Now, if there is a change in any of the energy levels, it gives rise to a spectrum. Now, what if electronic energy levels changes, means transition takes place in the electronic energy levels? Then they gives rise a visible or ultraviolet spectrum. If vibrational energy changes or transition takes place within the vibrational energy levels, then infrared spectrum produces. And if rotational energy levels changes or transition takes place in the rotational energy levels, then the microwave spectrum produces. So we can say that as energy goes on decreasing, the frequency of the spectrum for that particular energies are also decreases, because energy is directly proportional to the frequency. We all know that electromagnetic wave is having a different types of spectrum. The most common spectrum which we know, that is a 7 spectrum. First one is gamma ray, second is X-ray, third is ultraviolet ray, fourth is visible, fifth is infrared, sixth is microwave, and seventh is radio wave. These spectrums are arranged in decreasing order of the frequency. Means gamma ray is having the highest frequency, whereas radio wave is having the lowest frequency. So from this table, we can easily understand if energy levels is having the energy higher, then the transition takes place, produces the spectrum with a higher frequency. But if the energy levels are at the lowest one, then the transition takes place in that particular energy levels are producing the spectrum of the lowest frequency. To understand or to study the detail about these spectrum, we start the topic of spectra of diatomic molecules. Now the question comes, what is diatomic molecule means? Here the name itself suggests that diatomic molecule is nothing but molecule with the 2 atoms, which is the simple form of the molecule. Means according to the definition of molecule, it is a group of atom. So when we say that it is a group, either it is having a 2 or more than 2 molecules. If it has a 2 molecule, then it is called a diatomic molecule, and if it has a 2 or more than 2, then it is also called as then it is called as polyatomic molecules. Once we understand the spectra of diatomic molecule, we can easily implement this understanding to the polyatomic molecules. I hope you understood the basic introduction of diatomic molecule. If you have any doubt related to this topic, please write in the comment box. For today, I stop here. Soon, I will come up with a new online class related to this topic. Till then, have a nice time. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.